Hi guys, it's me, and today the spotlight is on a monitor built for people who want top-tier clarity, dependable color accuracy, and a clean workstation setup. This is the BenQ PD3225U, a 32-inch 4K IPS Black display made for creators who rely on consistent visuals every day. Whether you work with video, photography, motion graphics, 3D content, or color-sensitive projects, this screen aims to give you accuracy you can trust. When you first look at it, the upgraded IPS Black technology starts to stand out. It delivers noticeably stronger contrast than regular IPS panels, allowing deeper shadows and more definition in dark areas without washing out the image. It's not trying to replace OLED, but for an LCD panel, it brings a level of richness and depth that makes editing and reviewing content feel more natural. Pair that with a 32-inch 4K resolution and you get a massive workspace that stays sharp and detailed, even at close viewing distances. Color precision is one of the biggest selling points here. BenQ includes its color enhancements to ensure the panel meets strict professional standards. You're getting 98% P3, full sRGB and Rec. .709 coverage, and calibration that maintains a delta E of 2 or less. This means colors remain consistent and predictable, which is essential for editing footage, correcting images, or building brand assets. The display arrives calibrated, so there's no need for immediate adjustments. Uniformity compensation also ensures the entire screen maintains the same tone and brightness from corner to corner. For MacBook users, this monitor is particularly well optimized. The integration of Thunderbolt makes the entire setup seamless. With a single cable, you get video, data, charging, and daisy chain capability all at once. The 85W power delivery makes it perfect for keeping your MacBook powered while working. The USB hub expands your ports instantly, allowing you to connect drives, accessories, or audio gear without additional clutter. The built-in KVM switch makes it possible to run two devices with the same keyboard and mouse, switching between them effortlessly. The physical design matches professional use. It has a matte texture, thin bezels, and an adjustable stand that tilts, rotates, and changes height to match your desk setup. It's minimal, clean, and built to stay comfortable for long work sessions. The anti-glare coating is well balanced, reducing reflections while keeping the image sharp and accurate. One detail that often gets overlooked but makes a big difference is the panel uniformity. Many monitors struggle to maintain consistent brightness or color across the surface. This one handles it with uniformity correction that stabilizes everything, which is especially important when working on gradients, shadows, or color-critical scenes. The monitor also stays quiet and cool, avoiding any distracting noise or flicker. The real value becomes clear when you start using it for everyday creative tasks. Editing a 4K timeline becomes more comfortable with the large workspace. The deep blacks of the IPS Black panel make downscaled footage easier to judge. Photo editing feels more natural with accurate P3 color reproduction. Graphics and layout work benefit from the Rec. .709 and sRGB accuracy, ensuring your output stays true whether you're building ads, thumbnails, or full branding systems. Thunderbolt daisy chaining also helps you expand your setup without extra cables, turning multiple displays into a clean, efficient workspace. The KVM feature is perfect for anyone switching between a laptop and a desktop, especially for hybrid workflows where both macOS and Windows are needed. If you're aiming for a setup that's streamlined, accurate, and flexible, the PD3225U is a strong option. It combines high-end color performance with modern connectivity and a design that supports intense daily use. Instead of juggling multiple cables or dealing with inconsistent colors, this monitor brings everything together into a single, reliable tool built for creators. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this BenQ PD3225U 32-inch 4K IPS Black Thunderbolt monitor for MacBook, then please visit the link provided in the description.